Let's now start working on the animation part and animate this sci-fi speeder. I'm going to select this level sequence and press Ctrl D on the keyboard to duplicate this thing. I'm going to open up this level sequence and let's bring this window up here. I'm going to unlock this thing and let's delete all these tracks. I'm going to bring it down here and I'm going to select this camera rig rail from here and bring it into the sequencer. Let's move to frame number. I think I want the duration of this animation to be about 36 frames. So I'm gonna set my end frame here and let's add the parameter of current position on rail. I'm gonna add a keyframe here and increase this number to 1. Let's move to frame number 0 and I'm gonna bring this number down to 0. I'm gonna select both of these keyframes and change the keyframe interpolation to linear. And let's see. Let's lock the sequencer and I'm gonna select this track from here. Let me see. Let's say, yeah, I'm gonna have to move this thing back on x-axis to, let's say, just about there. And I'm gonna also move this thing on y-axis as well. Let's switch to global space and I'm gonna move this thing on X and bring it maybe somewhere around here, let's say. And I think I'm gonna have to also rotate these assets as well. I'm gonna select this cover asset and I'm gonna also select this character. And I think I'm gonna have to also select the actor as well. So I'm gonna select all three of them and let's rotate them on Z axis to just about there, I guess. And now I'm gonna select this track for the speeder and move this thing on X axis and bring it just about there, maybe here, somewhere around this area. I'm gonna select this actor from here and let's rotate this thing on Z axis to just about there, maybe. Yeah, maybe somewhere around here. Maybe just about there. Okay. And I'm gonna select this camera rig rail from here and let's move them on x-axis to just about there. I'm gonna select these three assets once again, the cover, the sci-fi character, and the actor as well. And let's rotate them on z-axis to just about there. Okay. And I'm gonna now select this track. Not this one is of patrol troopers. I'm gonna select the track of the speeder. And let's move it on x-axis and bring it maybe just about here. Yeah, I think now it looks a lot better. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna have to select this track and move this thing on y-axis and bring it a little bit closer to the camera, perhaps just about there, maybe. And let's move to frame number 0. Now it is completely invisible at frame number 0. So I'm gonna select this point from here. And I'm gonna have to select this handle as well and bring it somewhere around here. I'm gonna now select this point and move it on y-axis and bring it maybe just about there. Let me see, maybe a little bit closer, perhaps just about there. I'm not sure. Let's play this animation. Yeah, I think it looks good, but we still need to adjust the position or the orientation of these assets. So I'm gonna select this cover asset once again and the character and the actor, and let's rotate them on Z axis to just about there. Let me see. Perhaps I should rotate this thing like so. And now I can, let me close this patrol troopers folder. And now I can select this track and move it on x-axis to just about there. Let's see. Perhaps a little bit here, maybe here on x-axis to just about there. Let's see. No, I don't think it looks so good. I'm gonna select this track once again. And let's bring up the details panel here. And let's move this thing on x-axis to just about there. Perhaps a little bit more to just about there. Yeah, I think it looks good, but I think what we can do in here is to, let me select this track, and I'm gonna select this point. Let's move it fractionally back on y-axis. And let's see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll animate the patrol troopers. So I'll see you guys in the next one.